and welcome back to my channel. I have a blue glitter look here for you today. I hope that you enjoy. I've already primed my eyes with LA Girl Pro Conceal in Porcelain. And now as my transition shadow, I'm going to be using Oktoberfest by Conceal. It's an orange-brown matte shadow. Slightly under Oktoberfest, I'll be applying I'm Into It by MAC. It's a dark red-brown shadow. I'll be using Blame It On Midnight by NYX. It's a matte peachy shade, and it's perfect for a brow bone highlight. I like to use Porcelain to cut my crease with, and you lovelies, this is something that I'm still struggling with, cutting my crease, but practice does make perfect. Let me know if this is something that you guys struggle with too. I finally got my hands on the Morphe 35B palette. Girl, this palette is beautiful. I'm taking this blue shadow and applying it to my lids, just 3/4 of the way. I want the credit if I'm losing or I'm winning on my mama, that's the realest shit. To deepen up the outer V, I'm going to apply I'm Into It, and just to blend out that harsh line. And you lovelies know that NYC is my favorite liquid liner to use. It used to be Wet n Wild, but now this one has taken its place. To adhere my glitter, I'm going to be using the Sephora collection Glitterguard 24-hour eyeshadow primer. It's one of my favorite adhesives to use. And the glitter that I'm going to be using is by Flutteredbyro, and it's the blue chunky glitter. It's absolutely beautiful. I actually did a haul on these glitters, which I'll link in the tutorial. I'm applying my lashes off camera. One of my faves to use for my lower lash line is by Sephora again. It's the Contour Eye Pencil 12-hour wear, and I like this because it's also waterproof. I'm also going to add I'm Into It to my lower lash line. I'll be back with the finished look. Thank you, Julian, for editing my intro for this video. You're such a sweetheart. And thanks to all you lovelies for watching my video. I appreciate it, and I'll see you soon. Bye!